So here we have now our essential phone. This is an Android 7 telephone, smartphone, and here we have our iPad, and they are both running the new Smart Mobile Labs 360-degree video, and we are recording this via this Ricoh camera here in the back. What you see here is the rectangular view, where you see the full 360 degrees. And what you can do now in the Smart Mobile Labs player is you can select other modes by clicking here on the lower left corner symbol, and this triggers now to a 720p extract of the whole 360 view. So you can move around now with your finger, and for example you're seeing now us here videotaping this, and you can do this also with the movement sensor of the phone. So when you see here, I'm moving my phone now, and you can select the viewpoint you want to see. This all goes in real time, and the phone is still receiving up to 4K resolution with around 10 megabit per second for immersive feelings during events. On the iPad Pro, in the split screen, you can do the same thing, and you can also with your finger move even the preview. So this is by double tapping on the preview, you can go to the full screen mode, and this is then also available for 360 viewing.
And also with the motion sensor, you can change the view angle.
So we wish you all the best with our new products.